Hello, great zillions. I am Whitehorse, and I have something to say about Joystick's channel adventure. Lots of things will be different. There are some scenes from the trailer that will be updated. I know it may be a ripoff of Olaf's Frozen adventure. You know, the one from Frozen. But I kind of got some scenes, which is what was it again? Oh, there are some scenes that kind of rip off the movie. I know it may be a short Christmas movie, and plus, Joystick's channel adventure will release in December 1, like the trailer said. If too late, then we're gonna change it. We also made a logo for the show called. Hold on. We also made a logo for the show called Stale. I know, it's a weird name. But without further ado, let me show you the pictures. This is a picture of Screamo 00. You know, from the trailer. His face has been showed up really close up. And here's MSM Poke Gamer saying there's something there is to be in there, I think. But his line will change. And here's me saying my friend, and are you with me? We're gonna have a bird for the test. And when I say ow my fingers, the bird will bite my hand, my arm. Here my limbs getting separated. Here I am opening the door of Tarimba's house. Here's Tarimba giving me a bag of candy canes. I like candy canes in my opinion. They taste so minty. And here I am, you know the twirl to twirl scene? Well, it's gonna be a song called Wrapped Inside a Gift. It's gonna take a long time to compose this. And here's me saying I love it. And there's a garage at the back of me. And here I am in the fireplace. I know it may be dangerous, but that's how it's gonna be. It's just only gonna be a green screen. For me. Plus it's animated. Silly, get out. Okay. And here I am sing the aha, but this time I'm going to gonna tell them if I have a good feeling to sing a song. And here are the icicles coming out of the ground. And here are the baddies chasing me. It's a really good scene. Look at those beakers up there. Here's that bird again. Picking Strimes up. You know, Strimes? Well, he's pretty much old. Here's MSM Poke Gamer and Ethereal Wetlands ice skating. I really like to ice skate. I have been practicing since I was... I forgot. It's been a long time, I'd say. And here I am, holding up the star and flying it to the Utahville statue over here. By the way, it's stuck in the water, this statue. And there's some Christmas ornaments. that show Christmas objects. Well, that's all. That's all the changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget. And if you wanna, you can hit that subscribe button, and mostly you can comment. You can put this on your liked videos if you like it. If you like the change. And we're gonna work on it so hard. So there won't be an Inky episode this month. You know, Inky series. Bye. See you next